Hello everyone, Charlotte is here to teach you how to make your own personal Owie blend. And why are we going to teach people? Charlotte, do you have something to show us? Charlotte's very active and she gets a lot of Owies all over. So we're going to make her own custom little Owie blend. So we thought we'd share this recipe with everyone. So first we're going to pick out, these bottles are 10 milliliter glass roller bottles, and Charlotte picked out a pink one that she wants to use. And first she's going to put in 20 drops of lavender, and we're using lavender because it's calming and soothing to the skin, and it recovers fast and it eases the muscles, so that's why we're going to use that. 20. And then so for your tops you can choose, there's the stainless steel, there's plastic, or there's glass. We're going to choose the stainless steel because it goes on smoothly, and I find the plastic ones kind of break down a little bit and they end up falling out over time, and the glass ones usually fit very tight, so not a lot comes out. So I prefer the stainless steel ones. So next we're going to do Melaleuca, which is also tea tree oil, and we're going to do 20 drops of that.
Why does it have two names?
Well, I think it's US. US they call it Melaleuca, and in Canada they call it tea tree oil.
2?
No, 20. So that was a good question, Charlotte. Perfect. And Melaleuca is cleansing and has antibacterial. And then next we're going to do 5 frankincense. And frankincense is the king of all oils.
Why?
Oh, it's so powerful. It's one of the best.
20?
No, we're going to do 5. We only need a little bit of frankincense because it's very strong, very potent. That was 5, Mela?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Okay, so next we're going to do 10 of cypress. And cypress is good for the blood flow and for your skin and for the muscles. So, and that's good. And then the last one we're going to do is helichrysum, and we're going to do 5 drops of that one as well. And that's really good for skin recovery, for the blood flow. It's good for reducing scars and stretch marks and things like that. And that was 5 drops, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. And then we're going to fill up the rest with fractionated coconut oil, and we only fill it up to about here because you don't want it to overflow, and that happens a lot. So Charlotte, we're gonna wait, and Mommy will help you with that part of it. And then you just put the little lid, whatever topping you choose, and then you shake it up and you roll it on, but don't shake it up now, hun, because it doesn't have the roller bottle on it. And then you rub it on your bruises and your cuts and your scrapes and all your ouchies and owies. And yeah, there's a lot of good recipes out there for kids, ones to tame their tummy and allergies and head tensions and boo-boo blends, blister blends, owie blends, sniffles blends. There's tons out there. So if you have any questions or want to hear more, please don't hesitate to contact us, and have a great day. Thank you, Charlotte. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.